Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to send stickers to a group on the Instagram app using your PC, thanks to the latest update. It's a fun way to make your group chats more lively and expressive, and the process is super simple. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the messaging features. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu, where you'll find the messages icon. It looks like a little paper airplane or chat bubble. Click on that to open your direct messages. Next, find the group chat where you want to send the sticker. Just scroll through your conversations and click on the group to open it. Now, at the bottom of the chat window, you'll see the message box, where you usually type your texts. Right next to the message box, there's a sticker icon. It's usually a small square or smiley face symbol. Click on this icon, and a variety of stickers will pop up for you to choose from. Instagram offers a wide range of stickers, so you can pick one that perfectly fits your mood or the vibe of the conversation. Once you find the sticker you want to send, simply click on it. Instantly, the sticker will be sent to the group chat, and everyone in the group will see it pop up in the conversation. It's a quick and easy way to add some personality to your messages without typing a single word. And that's it. Sending stickers to a group on Instagram using your PC is straightforward and adds a lot of fun to your chats. With this new update, Instagram makes it easier than ever to express yourself and keep your conversations engaging. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sending stickers to your Instagram groups.